KIASMA is an Italian company specialized in the dredging, marine and oil sectors with more than 40 years of experience and an iconic portfolio of projects in the world. KIASMA is the leader in choosing dredging pipeline solution. Strategic partnerships, international culture and local presence around the world give shape to its global footprint. We are your partner. Private companies, port authorities, ministries and governments in 76 countries in the world trust us for the purchasing of discharge lines for the transport of dug materials. KIASMA Group is redefining the investment perspectives to obtaining investment benefits and good results until the purchase is qualified not as a commodity but as an asset. We constantly strive to become a global E.P.S. providing solutions and managing discharge lines in the dredging sector. The group is also committed to spread technology, engineering setting itself as an example for everyone in the sector. Is committed to a sustainable environment by providing solutions and technologies environmentally friendly for materials recycling and for the product's safety. Our employees are our most valuable resource, constantly giving them trainings. We are committed to provide quality services and products in all of our business activities, ethic without compromise and environmental awareness. We are committed to support the environment in a sector where goods manufacturers must meet global demand for recycling and disposal. KIASMA's proven leadership is able to lead with integrity, competence and creativity. This allows us to improve continuously, our responsibility being an example for all the others. KIASMA is engineering. Highly qualified engineers are working on thousands of projects in worldwide locations. They are fully qualified to optimize all project aspects until the definition of the best dredging solutions. We hold seminars, raw material, hydraulic calculation, hydraulic and mechanical calculation with software CFD analysis, FEM analysis, around the world. Starting from the sediments analysis that are present in the dredging site, KIASMA identifies the type of pipes that offer an advantage in terms of costs and benefits. The project passes through the profitability index, cost estimation models, for the detection of the MOL, gross operating margin, giving our clients the opportunity to evaluate the EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization. KIASMA's ultimate target is to decrease the cost per cubic meter of the discharge line. Is constantly striving to introduce the latest technologies in the dredging discharge line by scouting new technologies. The chemical, physical properties and the mechanical characteristics of the raw material used for the production of the materials are: resistance to abrasion, resilience, resistance to laceration, flow motion. KFC system creates a rotational motion of the inert inside the pipe, Reinhold number 200,000. There is no need to rotate the pipes. Abrasion decreases by 20%. KNN33 4.0 type, thickness of the anti-abrasive layer, junction type, are studied by KIASMA engineers for each project. All the materials were tested together with the University of Padua and the results are confirmed by a public body. With the aim of optimizing the profitability of the dredging companies, KIASMA has developed 3 types of compounds that can be used according to the type of inert dredged. The same raw material is used for the floats. The principle of elasticity is comparable to that of a telescopic fender protection device, used for the mooring of small boats or for the approach of the pontoons to the discharge lines. KNN33 4.0 elasticity allows the float to absorb shocks and return to its original shape. KIASMA is procurement. The global management of KIASMA Group is supported by regional offices strategically located in the Middle East, Asia, Latin America, USA. In addition to the production units located in Italy, KIASMA Group has outsourced production in Southeast Asia, India, North Asia, USA, to international production companies. Through this complex network, KIASMA effectively manages hundreds of projects a year, cutting costs for duties and transport. Pipes and floats undergo strict tests done by KIASMA Quality Department, in line with the quality management and quality assurance standards imposed by the international standards regulations. KIASMA's operation division is developed in 3 different divisions: training pipes, welding pipes and floats assembly. Attention to the customer is for KIASMA the cornerstone of the correct application of the initial design. The post-sale service is essential for us. Training technicians are constantly performed to bring knowledge to operators in the sector on the use of the technology used in the dredging sector. The KIASMA teams are made up of fully self-sufficient specialized technicians, able to work in compliance with international standards, with their own and local means, in compliance with budgets and benchmarking. The reliability recognized by many public and private companies in the sector, the strategic partnerships of KIASMA, the international culture and the local presence in offices all over the world, give shape to a global footprint. The European Green Deal establishes an action plan aimed at promoting an efficient use of the resources, moving towards a model of circular economy, restoring the biodiversity and reducing pollution. KIASMA seeks to transform linear production systems into circular systems, incentivizing the recycle of materials. In the logic of circular economy, the KIASMA materials are designed so as to predict from the beginning their recycling. KNN33 4.0 can be successfully recycled. The recycling process consists in their fine shredding and the formation of new granules that can be used in the molding of new products. Through this intricate network, KIASMA effectively manages hundreds of projects a year. There is no future without technological progress.